just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the city, close your eyes and just play, and I'll be sway. And we just sway, and I'll be sway. And we just sway. Levitating with you, anything can happen. What you think we should do? Let's not begin. We're just flying high, we're not coming down. Come right up next to me, step aside to side. I wanna sway. Yeah, we can dance the night away, right? Want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play, and I'll be sway. And we just sway, and I'll be sway. And we just sway.
If you watched my previous video about 5 things you should not buy as nursing students, this is exhibit number 1 of textbooks. This textbook is from the library. I took it out beginning of Feb, and they gave me a month to have this book. So trust me, it is very much possible for you to manage without buying textbooks. Yo, I'm so tired. It is 9:26 now. I need to go and sleep so that by 10 I need to go and bath so that by 10 I'm in bed and stuff. Yeah, postgrad studies. Like, I feel like what's stressing me or what's overwhelming me right now is the fact that there's just so much terminology and jargon that is used in the academic space, and having like your academic material being written that way makes it's making it tricky to understand what you're actually supposed to be learning or what we're learning. Because like with every paragraph that you're reading, then you must Google, okay, what does this word mean? Because I'm sure the work is not that difficult, but because I'm having to deal with these like philosophical viewpoints and understanding the learning theories, or this psychologist said this and this is how it affects education, there's just so much. Like the lecture that we had today, like it was just so overwhelming because like this learning theory, then what is the criticism of that learning theory? Do we agree? Like this, yo, yeah. Anyway, let me go and sleep. As you can see, being in academics is not easy. So if you are a first year student, you're feeling overwhelmed, trust me, you're not the only one. We are going through it together.
I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging. Let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep.
Morning. Day 2 today. Gonna do a gym session quickly, and then it's now like 7:09. So 45 minutes I should be done, and then we go to class. So yeah, let's do it.
Godspeed, we travel with hope in our minds. Lose rain, the sky and the wind are only guide. Wild sea, we are all strangers to this land. And no map, no promise but the light ahead. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home. New stars, so bright on the edge of the night. One spark, and the world begins again. Rolling into the great.
So just on a little break from class. Very informative class. Like I feel like these classes could be public so you guys can understand why like certain programs were changed and stuff. But yeah, it is what it is. It's been a very informative class. It's actually one of my favorite modules. So yeah, a little OOTD. Let's go back to class.
Home.
often get asked by like students like, how do you study? What's the best way to study with nursing? And there was a video that I did about how like with nursing topics, with nursing stuff, you can never really have one method of studying because each topic will require you to have a different way of understanding and putting the information together. So I just wanted to show you like how it actually comes out to be in practice. So when I started my notes for this topic that we're doing, this module is like very theory heavy. It's about like the different learning theories or describing the different ways that adult learners learn. So there's a lot that goes into one theory, but as you go into it, you start realizing that some theories link with each other. They have similarities, they overlap in some way, or sometimes you're going to be asked to compare or to critique this one's theory versus another one's theory. So I realized that now just having it all in this format of just writing the theory and the bullet points was just not allowing me to fully understand and grasp what was going on. So then that's when I decided to do like the mind map. Like I feel like the mind map was the easiest. Like I can list my different theories, then I can also branch out on who's the theorist, what were their thoughts at that point, what were their something, like there's so many ways that I can branch out. Then now I'll be able to visually see like, okay, for this theory it's this theorist and this is what they thought and this is how it compares to another theorist. I feel like it's becoming easier for me to understand because I was so overwhelmed in class because I'm just like, what, how does this one link to this one? So with studying, there is honestly never one way of doing it. With each module, you will just have to decide like what works and adjust to that. So Quizlet, definitely it's a free app that you can use to create your flashcards if you have a lot of definitions for a certain module. You can use MindMaster. It is a platform that I've been using to create my mind maps because sometimes the mind maps become bigger and bigger and writing it becomes a lot. So the fact that I'm able to do it online is great. So that's my tip for you when it comes to studying as a nursing student.
Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? Help me. I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Yeah. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you. When I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you. When I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own. Sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah. I know it's hard to be you. All the things you need to do.
It was a week of a lot of adjustments, but we did it. That's it for this week. See you in the next vlog.
Is there anybody who can help me?